Today, we will talk about an amazing and popular hill station in West Bengal, Darjeeling, the Queen of Hills. Darjeeling is famous for the dazzling snow peaks of Kanchenjunga overlooking the hill town, the beautiful tea gardens on the slopes of the rolling hills, and the cute toy train whistling its way through the mountains. Today, we'll talk about various things about Darjeeling. But firstly, how do we reach Darjeeling? We can reach Darjeeling by air. The nearest airport to Darjeeling is Bagdogra, which is approximately 96 kilometers away from the city. There are some direct flights from the cities like Kolkata, Delhi, and Guwahati to Darjeeling. From the airport, one can reach the city by hiring taxis. It will take approximately around 4 hours to reach Darjeeling from the airport. We can reach Darjeeling by road as well, and there is regular bus services to Siliguri from Kolkata. If you plan to take a taxi from the NJP station, there will be hundreds of options available waiting just outside the station. But please do remember to bargain. There is also a prepaid taxi booth located just opposite to the station entrance and near the taxi stand. Here, the rates are fixed and the taxis will be far more reliable. If you are a budget traveler or a solo traveler, there are plenty of shared taxis available outside the NJP station. The shared taxis are usually jeeps and takes 2% in front next to the driver, 4 in the back seat and 4 others at the rear seat. So they won't start unless they have a minimum of 8 to 10 passengers. If you for some reason don't get a shared jeep or taxi from NJP station, another option is to take an auto or a cycle rickshaw to the Siliguri main bus stand known as the Tenzing Norgay Central Bus Terminus. It is about 8 kilometers away. From here, you'll get plenty of shared jeeps leaving for Darjeeling. The jeeps have a small board in front of them with the destination written on it. There are several bus services from Siliguri to Darjeeling and back. The first one starts at around 7 in the morning, but there is no night bus. And this whole travel duration is approximately 4 hours including stoppages. We can reach Darjeeling by train as well. NJP or New Jalpaiguri near Siliguri is the nearest station on the main intercity line. Direct trains to NJP run from Delhi and Kolkata. From there, the famous Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, known to all as the toy train, completes its journey to Darjeeling. It starts from the NJP station and goes all the way to Darjeeling. The narrow gauge track climbs uphill and passes via highest altitude railway station in Asia known as Ghum. The toy train is a part of UNESCO World Heritage Site. Now we'll talk about the best time to visit Darjeeling. For tourists, there are 2 best seasons to visit Darjeeling. One between March to May and the other between October to November. These are the times when the temperature is pleasantly cool and the sky is usually clear, offering lovely views of Kanchenjunga snow peaks. The summer is short, from May up to June. The winter in Darjeeling is from December until February. Winter here can be extremely cold and snowfall is quite regular in the high reaches of the district. Thirdly, we'll discuss how many days are required to visit Darjeeling. Usually 2 days are enough for whole sightseeing of Darjeeling. Fourth point being sightseeing at Darjeeling. You can go for Darjeeling sightseeing tours by getting a reserved car from club-side taxi stand or Chowk Bazaar. Usually, the car offers 3 types of sightseeing tours: 3-point, 5-point and 7-point sightseeing tours. 3-point tour would cost you around 1200 to 1500, and this is the early morning tour covering sunrise at Tiger Hill, Batasya Loop and Ghum Monastery. Next comes the 5-point tour. This includes Japanese Temple, Peace Pagoda, Lal Kuthi, Dirdham Temple, Ava Art Gallery and Darjeeling Zoo. This takes about 3 hours and the tentative rate for reserved car is 1200 to 1500. Next comes the 7-point tour. This covers most of the famous attractions of Darjeeling like Darjeeling Zoo, Himalayan Mountaineering Institute, Darjeeling Ropeway, Tenzing and Gombu Rock, Happy Valley Tea Estate, Tibetan Refugee Center and Lebong Racecourse. This would cost you around 1500 to 1700. Darjeeling can be quite easy on the pocket if you wish so. Let's have a look at the cost of traveling in Darjeeling. Let's have a look at the best places to visit in Darjeeling. That was all for today. If you have any questions, please comment down below. See you guys in next video.